Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove this partially blocked video. So I have already created the videos, which was my old channel. It's called iSource. So I was gonna download every video and I was gonna upload to the new channel, our Stride Source. So it got a content called partially blocked. So to remove this, just go to the dashboard. Once you go to the dashboard, you can see the important notifications here. Just view, and you can see it's been partially blocked, and you can see the video which has been blocked. So just select the actions and trim out the segment. So just click continue and just click on trim. So this takes some minutes to trim it out, and once you trim this out, you can see that the message partially blocked will be removed. As you can see, the video has been get public and there is no error message or a notification that it's been blocked in some countries. So it's been available for every country for this video. And this is it guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.